and hello guys. Before we go further, let's introduce myself. My name is Shermina binti Somardi. I am from NBH 6B. What do you think I'm going to present? Check it out! Okay, for today, I would like to present in Chapter 7, which is Traditional Training Methods. This chapter focuses on traditional training methods which requires an instructor or facilitators and involve face-to-face interactions between trainees. However, most methods discussed can be adapted for online, virtual reality, mobile learning, or other new training technologies used for training, delivery, or instruction. There are three categories of traditional training methods. First is presentation. Second is hands-on. And third is group building. But for today, I just want to highlight on presentation categories. Presentation methods in which trainees are passive recipients of information, which may include facts or information, processes, and problem-solving methods. It includes lecture and audiovisual techniques. First, in presentation methods techniques is lecture. Lectures are useful when the instructor is the main knowledge holder and it is the most efficient and direct way to provide learners with that knowledge. Trainers communicate through spoken words what they want the trainees to learn. Least expensive and least time-consuming ways to present a large amount of information. It is easily employed with large group of trainees. Supports training methods such as behavior modeling and technology-based techniques. Lacks participant involvement, feedbacks, and meaningful connections to the work environment. Appeals to few of the trainees' senses because trainees focus primarily on hearing information. It is difficult to judge quickly and efficiently the learner's level of understanding. Is often supplemented with questions and answer periods, discussions, video games, or case studies. There are variations of the lecture methods. First is standard lecture, which is trainer talks while trainees listen and absorb information. Secondly is team teaching, which is two or more trainers present different topics or alternative views of the same topic. Third is guest speaker. Speaker visits the session for a predetermined time period. Primary instruction is conducted by the instructor. Fourth is panels. Two or more speakers present information and ask questions. And five, student presentations, which is it's a group of trainees present topics to the class. There are advantage and disadvantage of the lecture presentation methods. Let's look at this table. First is team teaching. The advantages of team teaching is brings more expertise and alternative perspective to the training sessions. But the disadvantage is require more time on part of the trainees. Let's go to the guest speaker. Motivate learning by bringing to the trainees relevant examples and applications is the advantage. but the presentation does not relate to the course content, it could be the disadvantage. And third is panels. Good for showing trainers different viewpoints in a debate. But the disadvantage is trainees who are relatively naive about a topic may have difficult understanding the important points. And the advantage of the student presentation is increase the material's meaningfulness and trainees' alternatives. But the second presentation method is audiovisual. It includes overheads, slides, and video. Video is a popular instructional method used for improving communication skills, interviewing skills, and customer service skills, and for illustrating how procedures should be followed. There are advantage and disadvantage of the video. Let's look at this table. The advantages of video is flexibility in customizing the sessions depending on trainees' expertise. Secondly, trainees can be exposed to equipment, problems, and events that cannot be easily demonstrated. Third, trainees are provided with consistent instruction. And fourth, provides intermediate objective feedback. And fifth, it requires minimal knowledge of technology and equipment. For the disadvantage of the video is, first, it's too much content for the trainees to learn. Poor dialogue between the actors. Third, overuse of humor or music and drama that makes it confusing for the trainees to understand the important learning points emphasized in the video. I think that's all for the presentation methods. I hope that these presentations can be useful for our lesson. Okay, see ya. Thank you.